Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today we're going to be looking at the cutoff marks that was recently released by JAMB for students. Now, some people have been calling and asking about the various cutoff marks so that they can make a decision on whether to change to other schools and whether to change to polytechnics or colleges of education. Now, the official cutoff mark for public universities is 160. JAMB score of 160. You can see it here. If you log on to our website www.jambwhataap.com, you can just click on this search button and you type JAMB cutoff marks. Then you'll be able to see this cutoff mark. So you can see public universities is for public universities it is 160, for private universities it is 140, for public polytechnic 120, private polytechnic 110, colleges of education 100. So these are the cutoff marks as was released recently. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board JAMB has released cutoff points for this year admission into universities, polytechnics, colleges of education and monotechnics. So those are the various cutoff marks, and it's good you know about them, so that if you are not able to score up to 160, you can change to a private university or a polytechnic or any of them to ensure your possibilities of getting admission for this year. Now, another very important thing to note here is that please hit the subscribe button here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that anytime we release videos on things like this, you'll be able to get them. Hit the subscribe button by this side of your screen. Now you can please like our video and share them to your friends so that they can get these informations and be able to subscribe to our channel, so that anytime we release similar information, they'll be able to get them. Now, another thing that is very important to note about the JAMB cutoff marks is that now if you come to a school like University of Abuja, even though that the public cutoff mark for public schools is 160, a school like Abuja or Unilag might still peg their own cutoff to 180 or thereabouts. So it's not necessarily what this 160 means is that the least cutoff for a university, a public university in Nigeria, should not be less than 160. So various schools can still put their cutoff to maybe 180 or thereabouts. So it's good you are aware of this, so that if you are applying for post-screening for any school and they tell you that their own cutoff is 200, so that you will not be surprised at that. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section so that I'll look at them and see the way I can help you address such issues. Yeah, until then, thank you. God bless you.